again and welcome to my channel AA Steam Series. You are not gonna believe this, but I got 200 subscribers. I am so happy, but this would not have happened with the encouraging message and you all subscribing to my channel. But if you haven't, scroll down and click subscribe. Today we're gonna be learning how to filter dirty water. It's always important to drink clean water because if you don't, you might get sick. You don't want that to happen. Clear rivers and lakes may look clean. There are millions, tons and millions of organisms in fresh water. But if you don't purify it, you can get extremely sick from bacteria or viruses. Freshwater springs can be safe to drink without filtering, but in survival situations, should err on the side of caution. But fresh water is not the same as potable water. Much of the Earth's fresh water is unsuitable for drinking without some treatment. Fresh water can be easily become polluted by human activities or due to naturally occurring processes, such as erosions. Now what are we waiting for? Let's get started! You need, for this experiment, 2 empty water bottles cut into half. Some pebbles, bigger the better, and coffee filters, rubber bands, dirty water. So, in a bowl, make dirty water by combining water, salt, and dirt. So now, let's make this very, very dirty water clean. So now, cut half the bottle with the help of an adult. Flip the neck of the bottle, fit it into the bottom half. Use the neck of the half bottle to filter the dirty water through the bottom half by using the cheesecloth, coffee filter, pebbles, gravel, and sand in a level manner by placing the neck half of the bottle. I'm going to use pebbles in one half of the bottle neck and 3 coffee filters. 3 coffee filters for another neck half of the bottle and tie it with rubber bands. I'm going to do 2 level filtering. You can choose whatever level of filtering you want to do. So, first, take this one actually. Cover this with coffee filter. And take 2, put it on the outside. Use the rubber band to tie them. Just trying to make it quick. Now, I'm going to put one on the inside. I'm just going to stuff this thing. Push it all the way to the bottom. And first level is done. Now, that one's good. So now, let's take this one. This one and fill it with pebbles. I'm going to put the bigger ones on the bottom, the small ones won't fall out. Grab some now. Try to make the layer as thin as possible because you want the filtering to be quick. So I think I'm going to 2 more small ones. That should be good. This is what my filtering thingamajiggy looks like. Once you're ready, pour in the dirty water and test how effective the filter is. Oh yeah, I'm excited, alright. Mix it nice, so the dirty water being water mixed in quite well. Put on tissue paper actually. You know what? Keep this on the bottom. This, in case anything spills, it'll be alright. Pour, 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 pour. Yeah. Whoa. Look what's happening. You poured this yucky, dirty water into the bottle, and this is the result. Isn't it amazing? So, the bigger particles are stuck in the pebble layer, but the really small particles are stopped by the coffee filter. But you can't drink this clean water because it has so many microorganisms. You need to have chlorine tablets before drinking, but this is the best way to filter dirt. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care, and bye-bye!